friends, today we are going to make an paper ring. Let's get started. So first, make something like this. Like I am drawing a logo of YouTube. Now cut this. Now I have cutted this. Now I will color this. Now I have colored this. Don't color this square. Now color this red. Now I have colored this. Now I will stick it like this. Now I have stick this. Now this is looking like this. Now stick this on the ring. So I have also stuck this. Now our ring is ready. See, this is looking very cool. So bye friends. See you in the next video.